Welcome to Global Glimpse, your trusted source for navigating the complex world of international living and global mobility. In an ever-changing landscape of immigration policies, securing a second residency is a goal for many. Our mission is to provide you with clear, accurate, and up-to-date information to help you make informed decisions. Today, we are diving deep into the top 10 easiest countries to obtain permanent residency in 2025. We will explore the pathways that don't require expensive lawyers, breaking down the requirements into simple, understandable steps. In this detailed guide, we will analyze each country based on a set of crucial criteria designed to give you a complete picture of what to expect. One of the most significant trends we are seeing in 2025 is a major policy shift across Europe. Many countries are actively moving away from real estate-based residency programs. Spain has completely suspended its Golden Visa program, while Portugal has removed the real estate option from its own. This shift is steering applicants towards regulated funds and direct economic contributions instead of property purchases. Understanding this trend is essential for anyone considering a move to Europe. Stay with us as we count down the easiest countries for permanent residency in 2025, helping you find the perfect destination to call your new home. Let's begin our European deep dive with Portugal, a country that continues to offer one of the most attractive residency pathways on the continent. The popular D7 visa, often called the passive income visa, is an excellent option for retirees and remote workers. To qualify, you only need to demonstrate a monthly passive income of Euro 870. This makes it incredibly accessible. However, it does come with a commitment. You must spend at least 6 consecutive months or 8 non-consecutive months in Portugal each year. After maintaining this residency for 5 years, you become eligible to apply for permanent residency and eventually citizenship. On the investment side, Portugal's famous Golden Visa program has undergone a major transformation. The once popular real estate investment route has been completely eliminated. The primary path now involves investing in regulated funds. The minimum investment for this option starts at a significant Euro 500,000. In stark contrast to Portugal's adjustments, Spain has taken a much more drastic step. As of April 4th, 2025, Spain has completely suspended its Golden Visa program. This is a monumental policy shift that has sent shockwaves through the investment migration industry. For years, Spain was a prime destination for investors seeking EU residency through property purchase, but that door has now been firmly closed. The suspension of Spain's program serves as a powerful reminder of the volatility in the residency by investment landscape. The focus must now shift to other European countries that still offer viable pathways, like Portugal's fund investment option, Greece, and Cyprus. Shifting our focus east across the Mediterranean, we find Cyprus, arguably the fastest and most straightforward PR program in Europe. The Cyprus Golden Visa is built for speed and efficiency. Qualifying investment, $300,000. Investment type, new build real estate. Secures immediate permanent residency. Minimal physical presence required. Maintain PR. Visit once every 2 years. Perfect for investors, business owners, and families. It acts as a secure backup plan, a gateway to Europe. After 8 years of residence, you can apply for citizenship. Citizenship grants full EU rights. Neighboring Greece also offers a Golden Visa. It now uses a tiered investment system. Look beyond the hotspots, and it's still accessible. Rural minimum, $250,000. This includes renovations of existing properties, a pathway to restore a traditional Greek home. Prime locations now cost significantly more. Athens, Thessaloniki, Mykonos, Santorini. Investment range for prime areas, $400,000 to $800,000. The amount depends on the municipality. No minimum residency required to maintain the Greek visa. But permanent residency requires 7 years of continuous residence. Finally, let's turn to the island nation of Malta, which offers a premium route to immediate permanent residency through its Malta Permanent Residence Program, or MPRP. In 2025, applicants must now demonstrate that they have total assets of at least $500,000, with a minimum of $150,000 of that being in liquid financial assets. The minimum purchase price for a qualifying property has been increased and standardized to $375,000 across the entire country. Despite these increased financial thresholds, the core benefit of the program remains unchanged. It grants successful applicants and their families immediate permanent residency status. The Malta Permanent Residence Program is particularly attractive because it provides the full benefits of EU residency from day one. The program is structured to provide long-term security and stability within a safe, English-speaking European nation. In summary, the European residency landscape in 2025 is marked by significant change. The overarching trend is a clear move away from simple real estate investments. It is essential to carefully review these new rules and consider which pathway, be it Portugal's D7, Cyprus's fast-track PR, or Malta's premium program, best aligns with your personal and financial goals. Moving across the Atlantic to Latin America, we find some of the most accessible and fastest residency programs in the world. Leading the pack is Paraguay. The primary requirement is a simple bank deposit of just $5,000 into a Paraguayan bank account. Once the application is submitted in person in Paraguay, the residency can be secured in a matter of weeks, not months or years. The country operates on a territorial tax system. Any foreign-sourced income, such as from remote work, online businesses, or investments abroad, is completely tax-free. Furthermore, for those with long-term ambitions, Paraguay offers one of the fastest paths to citizenship in the world. After holding permanent residency for just 3 years, you become eligible to apply. This rapid path to a second citizenship provides visa-free access to over 140 countries, including the European Schengen area. Continuing our exploration of Latin America, we arrive in Panama. Panama's Friendly Nations visa remains a top choice for citizens of the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and most of the EU. To qualify, applicants must establish economic ties to Panama, commonly achieved through a real estate investment or by making a bank deposit of $200,000. One compelling feature is flexibility. There is no strict minimum stay requirement to maintain your residency status. Further south, Argentina presents another compelling option. Argentina is renowned for having one of the most liberal naturalization laws in the world, offering a path to citizenship after only 2 years of legal residency. To qualify for residency, the Rentista visa is an excellent choice for freelancers, digital nomads, and retirees with stable income. For entrepreneurs, Argentina also offers pathways through small business investments. Starting a small, legitimate business in Argentina can qualify you for residency. Its low cost of living, a vibrant European-influenced culture, and an exceptionally fast 2-year path to a second passport makes Argentina a top contender. Heading north, we find Mexico, which remains one of the easiest and most popular countries for permanent residency, particularly for citizens of the United States and Canada. Its proximity, cultural familiarity, and affordable cost of living make it highly attractive. Mexico offers 2 main routes: temporary residency and permanent residency. It can be obtained by proving economic solvency, often through a modest monthly income or a certain amount in savings. Once granted, permanent residency in Mexico is truly permanent. It never expires and does not need to be renewed. When comparing these options in the Americas, a clear picture emerges. Paraguay is the undisputed champion for speed and low cost. Panama targets a higher net worth individual. Argentina stands out for its unique 2-year fast track to citizenship. And for convenient, affordable living close to the US, Mexico is the clear front-runner. Section 1. Cambodia, the world's cheapest and most accessible residency. It's a simple two-step process on arrival. Step 1. Obtain an E-Class business visa. Cost: about $35 on arrival. Step 2. Extend it into a long-term residence permit. You can apply for a 12-month extension of stay, commonly called EOS. Fee: around $300. Total cost from arrival to 1-year residency: under $400. Renewals are simple. The 12-month permit is renewable annually from inside the country. There are no complex financial solvency requirements. No need to prove a certain level of income. That lack of red tape makes Cambodia unique. Important: this is a renewable visa, not formal permanent residency. You won't get a direct pathway to citizenship or the same long-term security. Still, for ultra-low cost, easy-to-maintain bases in a tropical country with rich culture and a growing economy, Cambodia is unbeatable in 2025. Section 2. The UAE Golden Visa, a gateway to the Middle East. The most common pathway for investors is through real estate. A minimum investment of AED 2 million in a qualifying property will grant you eligibility for the coveted 10-year renewable Golden Visa. One of the most significant advantages of the UAE Golden Visa is its flexibility. It has no minimum stay requirement. The visa covers not only the main applicant, but also their spouse, children, and even domestic staff, making it a comprehensive solution for the entire family. It offers a gateway to world-class business opportunities, tax-free personal income, and an exceptionally high standard of living. When comparing the residency options in Asia and the Middle East, the differences are stark. Cambodia's program is built on affordability and simplicity. In contrast, the UAE's Golden Visa is a premium investment-based program designed for high-net-worth individuals. Your choice between these two vastly different options will depend entirely on your financial capacity and long-term goals. Section 1. The Essential Checklist: Documents and Procedures. Embarking on any residency application journey requires meticulous preparation. While specific requirements vary, a core set of documents is almost universally required. You will certainly need a valid passport, a clean criminal record certificate. Proof of funds is another cornerstone of most applications. This usually means official bank statements for the last 6 to 12 months. For programs like Portugal's D7 or Argentina's Rentista visa, you'll need proof of recurring passive income such as pension statements, rental income contracts, or investment portfolio dividends. Birth certificates and marriage certificates are essential when including family. Ensure these records are recent and often authenticated with an apostille stamp. Once compiled, submit your application at a consulate in your home country or in person in the destination country, depending on rules. Processing can be a few weeks in Paraguay or 6 to 9 months for CYPRUS Golden Visa. Patience and thoroughness are key, because a single missing document or incorrect form can cause major delays or rejection. Section 2. Navigating risks and ensuring a smooth process. Recent policy volatility, especially in Europe, underscores the risks. Spain's abrupt suspension is a stark reminder of sudden changes. Mitigate this by performing thorough due diligence on the investment and the country's political and economic climate. Never rely only on a developer's advice. They may have a vested interest. Always hire independent legal counsel to represent your interests. Get official non-native documents translated by a certified translator and authenticated with an apostille or legalized by the destination country's embassy. Understand the difference between residency and citizenship. Residency lets you live in a country. Citizenship gives a passport and voting rights. Create a contingency plan for program changes. Consult an immigration lawyer and a tax advisor, and fully understand your rights, obligations, and long-term strategy before you commit. For those seeking the most affordable and straightforward routes, Cambodia offers an incredibly low-cost, renewable visa, and Paraguay provides true permanent residency within weeks. For those whose ultimate goal is gaining access to the European Union, the choices have shifted but remain compelling. Portugal, Malta, Cyprus, and Greece offer direct paths. The most significant trend is the definitive move away from real estate-based investment migration in Europe. Governments are now prioritizing investments in regulated funds. The key is to first define what you want to achieve with a second residency. Is it tax optimization, freedom of movement, a better lifestyle, or a secure Plan B? Once your objectives are clear, you can effectively weigh the costs, timelines, and long-term benefits of each program to identify the one that perfectly aligns with your vision for the future. The first and most important step is to always verify the current rules and regulations directly with official sources. While many of these pathways are designed to be straightforward, we strongly recommend consulting with a qualified immigration lawyer. Your journey to global citizenship is a significant life decision, and we at Global Glimpse are committed to being your trusted resource every step of the way. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe to Global Glimpse for ongoing updates and in-depth analysis on residency, citizenship, and global living. We look forward to helping you unlock your new future abroad.